Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 10, mensuration. Question number 13. In these questions, this is given how many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeters are respectively will be needed to cover a rectangular region whose length and breadth are given here 70 centimeter and 36 centimeters. So let's see. In this question, first we find the area of area of one tiles. The side of tiles is given here, length is given here, length of the tiles is given here 12 centimeters and breadth of the tiles is given here 5 centimeters. This is clear. So first here we write length of tiles. Length of a tile is equal to 12 centimeter and breadth of tiles. Breadth of tile, this is equal to 8 centimeter. Breadth of tiles, this is given here 8 centimeter. Sorry, breadth of tile is given here 5 centimeters. 5 centimeter. This is clear. And so first we find the area of one tiles. Area of one tile is equal to area of one tile is equal to length into breadth of tile. So length into breadth. Length is given here 12 centimeter and breadth is given here 5 centimeter. If you multiply them, then you get here 12 5 is 60. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square or square centimeter. This is clear. Now here given the length and the breadth of the rectangular region. Okay. So here given length of rectangular region. Length of a rectangular region is equal to 70 centimeter. Length of rectangular region is equal to 70 centimeters and breadth of rectangular region is 30 centimeters. This is the first part of this question. Breadth of a rectangular region is equal to 36 centimeter. This is given. So first you find area of rectangular region. Area of rectangular region. Area of rectangular region is equal to again length into breadth, because in a very way the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So area of rectangular region is equal to also length into breadth. Okay, why you find the area of rectangular region? Because if you divide the area of rectangular region by area of one tiles, then you get number of tiles to require the given rectangular regions. Okay, in this question this is given that how many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to cover a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively 70 centimeters and 36 centimeters. This is a region 70 centimeters by 30 centimeters. This region, how many tiles will require, whose dimension is given here 12 centimeter and 5 centimeters. So for this, first we find the area of one tiles. You can see the area of one tiles we find here 60 centimeter. After this, we are going to find the area of rectangular region. So for this, we know the formula to find the area of rectangular region is length into breadth. L represent length of the rectangular region and B represent breadth of the rectangular region. The length of the rectangular region is given here 70 centimeters and the breadth of the rectangular region is also given here 36 centimeters. So you can write 70 into 36 centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter, it becomes centimeter square, or you can write it like this: 70 into 70 centimeter into 36 centimeter. Here you can see the area of one tiles is 12 centimeter into 5 centimeters. Okay, so here you need to find the area number of tiles required to cover this rectangular region. Okay, 70 into 36. Okay, so here is write here number of tiles required. Number of tiles required to cover the region, whose length is 70 centimeter and breadth is 36 centimeter. For this, we write here area of rectangular region by area one tile. So area of rectangular region is 70 centimeter into 36 centimeter. This is the area of rectangular region and divide by area of one tile. So area of one tile, so you can write it 12 centimeter by 5 centimeter, and after we will cancel it. So here 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Students, you know very well, 12 is 36. So 12 centimeter cancel by 36 centimeter in 3 times. Now centimeter cancel here, and 14 5 ja 70. Okay, 14 5 ja 70. So we have here 14 into 3. 14 into 3 is equal to what? 14 into 3 is equal to 42. 42 tiles required to cover this area. This is clear? 42. We write here 42 tiles. 42 tiles required to cover this region, whose length is 70 centimeters and breadth is 36 centimeters. This is clear. Now this is the first part of question number 14. We have again the second part of question number 14, and again we find the number of tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively, and cover the area. It means that the dimension of region is given here 144 centimeter and 1 meters. It means that the length of the given region is 144 and the breadth of the region is what? 1 meter. You know very well 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay. So first we find the area of this region. After this we divide it by the area of one tiles. Then we get number of tiles required for the given region, whose length is 144 and breadth is 1 meter. So let's see how we find the number of tiles for this region. Okay. Now, and in first part you can see here 42 tiles required to cover this region, whose length is 70 centimeter and breadth is 36 centimeter. Now we are going to find the number of tiles for second region. Okay, second region is given here. So first here the area of one tile, this is equal to length into breadth. Length is 12 centimeter So in second part of these questions, we can write this is second part. Area of a rectangular, length of rectangular region is given here. Length of region, or you can say a rectangular region is given here 144 centimeters. Clear? And the breadth of a rectangular region. Breadth of a rectangular region, we write here only region, it means that rectangular region. Okay, this is given 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This is clear. Length and breadth of the rectangular region is given here. Length is 144 centimeter and breadth is 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is clear. Now we find the area of rectangular regions. Okay. So area of rectangular region is equal to what? We write here area of a rectangular region. Area of rectangular region is equal to length into breadth. You know very well. Length into breadth. Length is given here 144 centimeter and breadth is 100 centimeter. This is clear. Length is 144 centimeter and breadth is 100 centimeter. This is given. Now we find the number of tiles required. Okay, or you can say the number of tiles needed to cover the region. Okay, here you write number of tiles. Number of tiles required to cover the rectangular region. Rectangular region is equal to area of rectangular region. Area of region means rectangular region by area of one tiles, by area of one tile. Here area of rectangular region by area of one tiles. So we get the number of tiles required to cover the rectangular region. So this is equal to what? So area of region is equal to, here you can see 144 centimeter into 100 centimeter by area of one tiles. You can see here 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. This is clear. If you cancel them, 12 is 144. If you divide 144 by 12, then you get 12, because 12 into 12 becomes 144 centimeter cancelled by centimeter. This is clear. Now here centimeters cancelled by centimeter, and if you divide 100 by 5, then you get what? Then you get here 20. Okay, centimeter by cancelled by centimeter. You divide 100 by 5, then you get 20, and here you divide 144 by 12, then we get 12. So in this way, here you get the number of tiles is 12 into 20. This is equal to 240. Number of tiles required to cover the rectangular region is 240 tiles. 240 tiles is required to cover this rectangular region whose length is 144 centimeter and the breadth is 100 centimeter. This is clear. So students, I hope all have understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 15. In question number 15, have the area of rectangular plot is 340 square meters. If the breadth is 17 meters, find its length and perimeter. So student, in this question this is given that the area of rectangular plot is given 340 meters square and also given its breadth. We need to find its length. Okay, so let's see how we find its length and the perimeter if his area and breadth is given. Okay, so now student, I hope all of you understood this question. This is question number 14 and we are going to discuss question number 15. So let's see how to start question number 15. In question number 15, this is given a rectangular plot whose area is 340 meters square and the breadth of this plot is given. We need to find its length and also find its what? Perimeter of this plot. Okay. Now, this is question number 15. In this question 15, this is given the area of rectangular plot. Area of a rectangular plot is equal to area of rectangular plot is equal to, this is given 340 meters square. 340 meters square, this is given, and also this is given the breadth of a rectangular plot. Breadth of the rectangular plot is given here. Breadth of a rectangular plot is given here is equal to 70 meter. Breadth of the rectangular plot is given here 70 meter, and you know very well area of rectangular plot is equal to what? Length into breadth. If you need to find length and breadth is given, then you transpose this length breadth to left side. So you can see A by B is equal to length. It means that this is a formula that we find length if area and breadth is given. Also you can write breadth is equal to area by length. Here you find length, so you can write it area by breadth. This is clear. So let's see how we find the length of the rectangular plot. So here we write length of a rectangular plot is equal to area a rectangular plot by breadth of rectangular plot. Breadth of rectangular plot. Clear? So area is given here. What is the area of rectangular plot? You can see this is given 340 meters square, and breadth of the rectangular plot is also given here 70 meters square. Student, you know very well meter square is equal to what? Meter square is equal to, you can write here meter square is equal to meter into meter. This is a meter square. Okay. If you divide by meter, divide by meter, it means that meter into meter. This is meter square, and divide by meter. So 1 meter by cancel by 1 meter. So you get meter square by meter. This gives meters. Okay. So here, and also you can see again 34. 17 to the 34. 2 and if you write a 0 like this. So in this way you find the length of the rectangular plot is 20 meters. Length of the rectangular plot is 20 meters. Also we find its perimeter of the rectangular plot. Okay. So here perimeter of rectangular plot. Perimeter of a rectangular plot is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So here you can see 2 into length is 20 meter plus breadth is 70 meter. This is equal to what? This is equal to 2 into 37 meter. Or this is equal to 72 meter. So you can see here that the perimeter of the rectangular plot is 72 meters and its length is 20 meters. Student, in this question this is given that find the length of a rectangular plot whose area is 340 meter square and the breadth is 70 meter. Also find its perimeter. So here you can see we find the length of this rectangular plot is 20 meters and here 72 is its perimeters of this rectangular plot. Okay. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question. Question number 16. Question number 16 have, if a area of rectangular plot is 144 meters, area of a rectangular plot is 144 meters square and its length is 16 meter. Find the breadth of the plot and also find the cost of fencing at the rate 6 rupees per meter. Okay. The area is given, the rectangular plot 144 meters square, length is also given 16 meters square. We need to find its breadth. Also you find the cost of fencing and the rate is given here. Rate of fencing is 6 rupees per meter square. So let's see how to find the breadth and the cost of fencing of the rectangular plot whose area is 144 meters square and the length is 16 meters and the rate of fencing is 6 rupees per meter. Okay. So first we erase them. So in this question, student, first we find the breadth. After this we find its perimeter, because the perimeter of the rectangular plot is the length of fence. When we multiply the length of fence by the rate of fencing, then we find the cost of fencing of the rectangular plot. This is clear now. The next question is question number 16. Question number 16 is that here first we write area of rectangular plot. Area of rectangular plot is equal to what? Area of a rectangular plot. What is the area of rectangular plot? This is equal to 144 meter square. Area of rectangular plot is 144 meter square. Length of rectangular plot is also given here. Length of a rectangular plot is equal to what? Length of rectangular plot is equal to, this is given 16 meter. This is the length of a rectangular plot. So now we need to find here first breadth of the rectangular plot. Before it, this is given rate of fencing. A rate of fencing is given here. Fencing per meter. Fencing per meter is given here rupees 6. Rate of fencing per meter is given here rupees 6. So first we find the breadth of the rectangular plot. Okay. So breadth of a rectangular plot is equal to what? This is equal to area of a rectangular plot divided by length of a rectangular plot. Okay, this is equal to area of rectangular plot is given here 144 meter square, and length of a rectangular plot is also given here 16 meter. If you cancel them, then you get 9 meter. Okay, 9 meter is the breadth of the rectangular plot. After this, you find perimeter of this rectangular plot. So here perimeter of a rectangular plot is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth is the perimeter of a rectangular plot. So length is given here 16 meter and the breadth is 9 meter. So you can write here 2 into 16 meter plus 9 meter. This is equal to 2 into 25 meter. This is equal to 50 meter. In this we find the perimeter of rectangular plot is 50 meters. And now we find the cost of fencing. If you multiply by the perimeter is the length of fence. Actually, perimeter is equal to the length of fence of the rectangular plot. If you multiply the rate of fencing by the perimeter, we get cost of fencing. Okay, so cost of fencing is equal to what? Cost of fencing is equal to rupees 6 into 50. This is equal to 300 rupees is the cost of fencing. That in this question, this is given that the area of rectangular plot is given and breadth is also given. So first we find the length of the rectangular plot. You can see here breadth of the rectangular plot is area of rectangular plot by length of the rectangular plot. Area of rectangular plot is given here 144 meter square by 16 meter. This is the length of rectangular plot. So in this way you find here 9 is the, what is 9? 9 is the breadth of the rectangular plot. Okay, with this here we find the perimeter of the rectangular plot. You know very well the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So length is given here 16 meters and breadth is we find 9 meters. So in this way you find the perimeter of the rectangular plot is 50 meter. Okay, and here given the rate of fencing per meter. 1 meter cost of fencing 6 rupees. So we have 50 meter. So we multiply 50 into 6, then we get 300 rupees. This is the cost of fencing of the rectangular plot. So students, I hope all of you understood these questions. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.